dusty trail, chasing the sun where the skies turn pale. Morning whispers in the mountains' throat, each breath of air a secret note. Take me higher, where the earth breathes smoke and fire. Rolling stones, the ground's alive. Feel the thrill, the mountains thrive. Ashes crumble under heavy tread, clouds like blankets above my head. The lava sleeps, but it dreams so loud. Up here I'm lost, yet somehow found. Grip the edge, feel the sway. This is life in disarray. Take me higher, where the earth breathes smoke and fire. Rolling stones, the ground's alive. Feel the thrill, the mountains thrive. The wheels dance to the beat of the climb, each bump a rhythm, each turn a rhyme. A world untamed, raw and wide. Mount Bator, you're my wild